Good morning student, my name is Anand Vijay. Today in this video lecture we have focused on to the last topic of the chapter 3, consolidating data. What is consolidating? Consolidating is the process whatever you have typed onto the first sheet and whatever you have typed onto the second sheet. Both if you show the data in the submission process, you can use the consolidation. Consolidation is the process whatever data you have defined on the first sheet, whatever data you have defined on the second sheet, and if you want to apply the formula and like some kind of function and you have find out the resulting data on the next sheet like a sheet 3, then you can use the consolidation process. Consolidation process always work on grouping the sheet. That means you can first group the all sheet, then apply the consolidation process. How we can apply the consolidation process? Here is the simple step. At first you have click onto the data tab. There is the consolidate option. In data tab consolidate option you have clicked a consolidate dialog box is appear. This kind of dialog box will be appear onto the screen where you select the above example, whatever the example is, go to the sheet 1 and select the range sheet and find out in the consolidation process there is some function is available or not. If it is not available, select from the drop down list and click on some function. Then you have defined the go to the sheet 1 and select the range. That range is called here reference and you have click on the add button. After that again you move to the sheet 2, select the range and again perform the add click on the add button to apply the references. Now you come onto the sheet 3 and you have got the consolidate according to data. Whatever the data is here, like you have focused onto the Honda City is 450 here in the first quarter of 2018. In the first quarter of 2019 there is the 900. You can find the consolidate. After consolidate it is going to the 450 plus 900. It is shown the 1350, 1350. That is the we got the data after the consolidation process. That overall objective of the consolidating process in Excel. Let's do in the practical manner of whole consolidation process. Here I have designed the data. Student, how we perform the consolidation process in the practical scenario. According to book, I prepared the data. This is the sales first quarter sales of 2018 that contains the number of vehicles name and their sales ratio month wise. In the sheet 2, it contains the whole vehicle name, but their value will be changed according to the month wise. In sheet 3, I have left the blank for the consolidation process. The vehicles names are same, but the values are not appear. It can be appeared after the consolidation process. Now how I perform the consolidation process, there are the simple steps. At first you click on the sheet 1 and press the shift key to group all the sheets. Now you have find out the consolidation process group. The sheet 3 sheets are grouped here. Now click on the sheet 3 and select the B5 B5 cells only and come to the again click on the data tab, click on the consolidation process, click on the up arrow key and come to the sheet 1. Now select the range from B5 to D10 and click on add option. You will find out the function contains the sum function only. Again click on the sheet 2 process. Automatically select the range from B5 to detail, you have click on the add button. Now click on the OK button. You have find out all the consolidation value will be displayed onto the sheet 3. The sheet 1 contain the first quarter of Jan month value 450. The sheet 2 contains first quarter of Jan month value 900, and sheet 3 contains the after consolidation 1350. In the same manner, you have find out any kind of value like L2 of the Jan month sales ratio is 100, L2 of the Jan month of the year of 2018 first quarter sales ratio is 500, and the consolidation you have 500 plus 100, that is the 600. So it is the very easy step. You try to do in the practical manner at home and submit onto the Google Class code, Google Class 7, the whole practical scenario. Thank you and have a good day.